All right, so the next rule that we're going to look at is creating parallel expressions. So this is kind of a easy yet hard rule, but basically what you want to look for is verbal consistency. So what that means is like looking for if it's a past tense verb, past tense verb, past tense verb in a list, make sure it's consistent, that there's nothing filling in between. And same thing with nouns. If it's like I ate an apple, a banana, and I also ate the fruit of the pomegranates. That's going to be wrong because you don't need and the fruits of. You could just say pomegranate because the rest is already implied that the list is already fruit. Um, so that's the first part of a parallel expression. The second part of a parallel expression comes from this list. So just memorize this list. It's going to be within the sentence. So it's going to be matched pairs, the way that I like to think about it. So it's going to be neither nor, either or, not only but also, both and rather or. So those five connecting pairs are is going to provide you with that parallel expression. So let's look at an example sentence. So sorry. So if we look here, which item is correct? I ate a corn dog, went on Space Mountain, and then my sister made me face my fear of meeting Donald Duck. B. Either we ride It's a Small World or we will ride Dumbo. C. We are thinking of going to Disney during March, April, and the month of May. D. I did not only meet Anastasia at Disney World, but met Drizella. Okay, if we're looking here, I automatically go to C. That's what I think the wrong answer is because we were thinking of going to Disney during March, April, and the month of May. And the month of May right here, it's not really necessary because the list before this, March and April, automatically imply that it's going to be the months. So C is out. The next answer that I think would be wrong is A, because I ate a corn dog, went to Space Mountain, and then my sister made me face my fear. And then my sister made me face my fear of meeting. That is kind of fluff. If you were looking for parallelism or parallel expression, you could just say, and met Donald Duck, because these two verbs are in the past tense. So I ate a corn dog, went on Space Mountain, and met Donald Duck, and just leave it at that. So A, C is out. Let's check B or D. So let's look at D. I did not only meet Anastasia. Oh, okay, so not only at Disney World, but met Drizella. Does that follow our expression rule? Not only, but also. It's missing but also. So I did not only meet Anastasia at Disney World, but also met Drizella. Okay, so D is automatically out because it doesn't follow that matching pair rule. And then let's look at C. Either, okay, cool, we have that expression, either or. We're looking for either or. So either we ride It's a Small World or we will ride Dumbo. Awesome. I think this is a great candidate. So I believe my gut feeling is telling me B. And that is correct. So remember the two rules for parallel expressions, so the matching pairs rule, and also looking for that verbal consistency or noun consistency when looking for items in a list.